Dear channel family, welcome to this channel. I am Anderson Worku, and as you know, we have started a new chapter. In today's lesson, we are looking at linear equation word problems. So, if you are new to the channel, subscribe to join the family. Let us get to the lesson. What is linear equation word problems? Linear equation word problems are one of the most important and useful parts of algebra. These problems take real-life situations, described in words and turn them into simple linear equations. Equations with one variable and degree 1, like 3x plus 7, which is equals to 22, or 5 times in the bracket x minus 4, which is equals to 30. You solve for the unknown value, usually called x, because most of the times we used x as a variable, and then interpret what it means in the story. Why learn this? Because maths is not just solving 2x plus 5, which is equals to 13 on paper. It is used to answer real questions like, how old is someone? How many items can you buy? What are the dimensions of a rectangle? When will two people meet or catch up? Golden step-by-step methods. Use this every time. First, read carefully. Twice if needed. Decide what the unknown is and let a variable represent it, usually x. Write let x is equals to, then change your word problems into mathematical equations. Thirdly, translate the English words into mathematical equations using key clue words: is, equals or was, more than or greater than, less than, times or multiplied by or of, twice or double, half, sum, difference, total or altogether, per or each or every, which is used most of the time, rate or represent as multiplication. Fourthly, write the equation from the most important sentences. Fifthly, solve the equation step by step. Add or subtract, multiply or divide, distribute if needed. Check your answer by putting it back into the problems. Does it make sense? Write the final answer clearly with units if given. For example, years, kilometers, liters, etc. Common types of linear equation word problems. Here are the most frequent types with clear examples. Study the translation carefully. Type 1, numbers or ages or consecutive integers. Example 1, the sum of two numbers is 45. One number is 7 more than the other. Find the numbers. Let x represents a smaller number. Then the larger number represented as x plus 7. Equation x plus in the bracket x plus 7, which is equals to 45. Then 2x plus 7, which is equals to 45. Then collect like terms. 2x is equals to 45 minus 7. So, which is 38. Then divide both sides by 2. 2x is equals to 38. Then divided by 2, x is equals to 19. A smaller number is equals to 19. Larger number is equals to 19 plus 7, which is equals to 26. Then finally check the result by substituting the answer. 19 plus 26, which is equals to 45. Example 2. Sarah is currently 5 years older than her brother Mike. In 4 years, Sarah will be twice as old as Mike will be then. How old are they now? Let M represents Mike's current age, Sarah's current age, which is equals to M plus 5. In 4 years, Mike M plus 4, Sarah M plus 5 plus 4, which is equals to M plus 9. Equation M plus 9, which is equals to 2 times M plus 4 in the bracket. So M plus 9, which is equals to 2M plus 8. Then finally collect like terms. 9 minus 8, which is equals to 2M minus 1M. Then M is equals to 1. So the result is Mike is 1 year old now. Sarah is 1 plus 5, which is equals to 6 years old now. Check in 4 years. Mike 5, Sarah 10, because 10 is twice larger than 5. Example 3. You have 240 birr. Notebooks cost 35 birr each and pens cost 15 birr each. You buy 4 notebooks and some pens. How many pens can you buy and still have exactly 0 birr left? Money spent on notebooks, which is equals to 4 times 35, which is equals to 140 birr. Money left for pens, 240 minus 140, which is equals to 100 birr. Let P represents number of pens. Equation 15 pens, which is equals to 100. Then divide both sides by 15. P is equals to 100 divided by 50, which is equals to approximately 6.666, continues infinitely. Not whole number, not possible to spend exactly. But if the problem says as many pens as possible without going over, then P is equals to 6 pens, which is 90 birr. 10 birr left. Real problems usually give whole number answers. Example 4. The length of a rectangle is 3 times its width. The perimeter is 112 centimeter. Find the length and width. Let W represents width. Length, which is equals to 3W. Perimeter, which is equals to 2 times in the bracket length plus width, which is equals to 112. Then 2 times in the bracket 3 widths plus 1 width, which is equals to 112. Then 2 times 4W, which is equals to 112. Then 8W or width, which is equals to 112. Then divide both sides by 8. W is equals to 14 centimeter. Width is equals to 14 centimeter. Length, which is equals to 3 times 14, which is equals to 42 centimeter. Check the result by substituting the above answer. 2 times in the bracket 42 plus 14, which is equals to 2 times 56. Then finally, the result is correct. Example 5 or the last example, a car travels at 80 km per hour. A motor bicycle travels at 110 km per hour in the same direction and starts 90 km behind the car. How long will it take the motor bicycle to catch up to the car? Relative speed or how much faster motor bicycle is, which is equals to 110 minus 80, which is equals to 30 km per hour. Distance to catch up, which is equals to 90 km. Let T represents time in hours. Equation 30T, which is equals to 90. Then divide both sides by 30. Then finally T is equals to 3 hours. So the final answer or the correct answer is 3 hours. Finally, always write let x is equals to, then substitute your word problems in mathematical equations. Clearly, it prevents confusion. Second, draw a quick sketch or table if possible, especially edges, motion, or rectangles. If the answer is not a whole number but should be like number of items, reread the problem. Practice checking every answer. Many marks are lost from silly mistakes. Most grade 9 linear word problems have one variable and lead to one simple equation.